In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the backpack tool in Scratch. What you're going to learn out of this video is you're going to learn what is the backpack, what you can do with it, and I'm also going to be showing examples of what you can do with it. Keep watching till the end to learn the uses of this block. Welcome to Dabmc. If you're new to this channel, I post regular videos of Minecraft, Scratch programming, and gaming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the backpack tool as I mentioned before the intro, and let's jump right into it. So what is the backpack? What is the backpack? The backpack is this little storage button that lives underneath everything besides these two buttons here. And when you click on it, it says this. It shows you this list of items you can put in here. And it currently says the backpack is empty because we have not put any items in it. But you can put literally anything in this except for these things, but you can put sprites, backdrops, code, and even sounds and costumes. So let's jump right into it. So what is our first guess here? So what we want in here is, let's say we're here, okay? And we have this surfer guy, which is not surf anymore. I study as a person, but person on. And then what we do is here we open this backpack and then we drag and hold it and we drag it into here, and then it'll see this person. So then if we go back here and we open it, it will appear, and then we can drag it here and boom, we have this guy in our background. And then we can just make him 20 because he is all the way on top here, and then there we go. So that's a sprite. Now let's try out a costume. So let's say we duplicate this and let's just delete this guy, okay? Let's name this Rocks. And what we do here is we open this up again and then we drag it in here. And then after that we have a costume. And then we can go back to here and then we can say, we have to close this again because it has to load. And then we have the Rocks costume. And then we can choose which one we want. Do we want it to be in the jocks, the person, or we can also put it in the stage. So let's say, I want to be into the person. So we click on it, and then after that we just say this, and then what we can do is and now we have this costume here. Now that's out of the way. That's our first two things. We have the sprite and the costume. Next is the sounds. We can export sounds. Oh, wait, how did that get here? Okay. So now we're going to see the sounds. As you can see, we have this sound, this dun 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 sound. And then what you can do is we can go back here, and let's say we want this sound to go in our backpack. So all we need to do is click the backpack button, and then we need to drag it once again into this little area, and then we drag it there, and then it's there. So then we go back to this project, and then let's say it doesn't have it here. Then we say sound, which is the dun 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 sound. And now you can choose which one you up. Now you can choose which one you want it to be. Do you want it to be in the person or do you want it to be in the shark? I want it to be in the stage because that's where it belongs. And then what we can do is we can drag this and then it is. And it's right here. Dun, dun, dun. And there we go. That's the sound. So now we're up to our backdrops. So what you can do with the backdrop is you can say this. So let's say we're here, okay? And I want to transport this backdrop right. This backdrop right here, whereas here. I want to transport this backdrop. So all we need to do here is we actually, yes, and then let's say, so all we have to do is we have to drag this backdrop here. Now that's done. And then we get here, and then we close it, and then we open it again. And then kaboom. Let's say we want it to be on the stage. And there we go, we have our new backdrop. For now, we're going to be using this one. So now we have the backdrops out of the way, and we have the sprites and costumes out of the way. It's time for our final one, which is dun, da, 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 the coding. Yes, the code. So what we want to do here is we want to open our backpack up, and then all we need to do is just simply drag this here. That's all we have to do, and as you can see, it says script. That's this code. And then what we do back here is we select it, select the backpack, and let's say, I want it to be in the retro robot that I have created. So let's say, click it, and then it should be here. Yes, it is, and then we can say yum, because this guy's an Eggman, and everybody knows robots love eggs. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Saying this, bye guys.